Please take proper precaution while working with the hazardous chemicals, and we are not responsible for your behavior. So, if you have ever heard about the foam coating, which is actually insulating the wall or waterproofing, so it's quite interesting to watch the coating. When the liquid chemical is sprayed on the wall, it immediately blows up and forms a solid structure. Maybe you can see here. This foam is actually a polyurethane, and it is formed by the reacting of polyols and alcohol with two or more reactive hydroxyl groups or molecules with the diisocyanate or the polymeric isocyanate. If you talk about isocyanate, the MDI, which is methylene and diphenyl and diisocyanate, these are the chemicals which react each other and forms this foam. It is quite soft, as you can see here. But later on it gets solid hard and forms a solid structure. And here are the things which gets credit of this foam: a high pressure pump and the solvents. Well, it's time to leave. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.